So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial.
Today we're going to see how to reconnect a bank account in Xero. So firstly, from your Xero dashboard, navigate to Accounting and select Bank Accounts. Click on the Add Bank Account button and search for your specific bank or financial institution from the provided list. Now Xero will seamlessly redirect you to your bank's secure login portal. Enter your online banking credentials and authorize Xero to access your transaction data. And once connected, your historical transactions will begin importing into Xero automatically.
And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.